안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. Today we're cooking with this. It's called Dureup. Dureup is a spring vegetable here, or a spring sprout. It comes from the Aralia, or it's often called Fatsia Sprout. Now I've never actually cooked this before, so I can't wait to see how we cook it. I know that I'm going to be blanching it and then making a sort of gochujang or red pepper type of sauce to put with it. This thing, I don't know what we're going to do here. It's got these spikes on it. You can see just there. Ooh. And this one even has, it even has spikes running through here. So I think I have to take those off. So I'm going to figure out how to do that. I think we'll just get a knife and we'll cut it and then try to take off the spikes. I think that's probably the first step. We'll try that out. Okay, look at this one here. We've got, try this. Looks like that when you cut that off. Here, cut more. Oh, perfect. Uh-oh. Okay, maybe too perfect. Up. Ow. You need a smaller blade and run it like this. Get these spikes off. Ooh, ow. Ooh, looks good. All right, easy. Now I might be cooking dureup for the first time, but it's not the first time I've made this sauce. It's a very versatile sauce that you can use for dipping, especially with things like blanched broccoli or even a little bit of raw fish. You can use something similar for both of those things and it'll taste great. So give it a good mix up, make sure it's nice and red. It should be that beautiful red color. And of course taste it a little bit, just to ensure you've got the right mix of ingredients. Adjust it to your taste. If you don't want it too sugary, just take out the sugar. Use something else instead, or use a little bit of sugar and you should be fine. Now we need to blanch these. The trick with this is to check the size, because if you've got bigger pieces of dureup, then it'll need to blanch a little bit longer and then a little bit smaller if they're smaller pieces like mine. So about 90 seconds to 120 seconds depending. Make sure they go straight into some cold water or give them a quick rinse, and that way they'll be nice and cooled off, because you don't want them to keep cooking while they're sitting there and cooling down. And then dry them well. Take a little bit of time, give it a really good dry, shake them off, maybe pat them down with a towel if you need, and then you can serve. And there we go, we've got our sauce, and put a little bit of sauce on there, as well as some sesame seeds. The sesame seeds go really well with this, they go with that sauce. And of course I'm plating it up to make it look beautiful, but you can just put this to the side and people can dip it in it as they see fit. Alright, let's see how this tastes. It's going to be my first time eating this. Okay, let's eat this spiky little thing. Alright, let's try this dureup. It's my first time eating this, so let's see how it goes. That's actually really good. Seems like I'm always saying this, but I'm trying a lot of new ingredients this year on Next Matchup, and this is one of them. So there we have it. A new ingredient for me. I can't wait to use it again in the kitchen, and it's springtime at the moment, so this weekend I might go pick up some more of this and see what I can cook up. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and 안녕히 계세요. See ya.